Another cold morning. It's 8:05. We're going to pick up the next project car. And there's a why can't I think of the word, dude? Oh my God, it's too early. What do you call this? There's a sneak peek, there's a guess, there's a preview, I don't know, of what car it is based upon that engine and transmission. Now I'm annoyed. I can't think. It's too much, it's too early. Even with this, I'm feeling useless. So I'm sure people are gonna wonder like where this 240's been or like why I'm doing this. I can't keep ignoring 240 prices skyrocketing. This car has been sitting for years and everything is pretty much there to put it together. Like the built KA is sitting in the back of the Jeep. So everything to put it together, at least get it to run and just completely make money off this. I've never really cared for this car. I don't know why. I feel like it's just like a curse on it. So I'm gonna name this the Curse 240 because everyone who's touched this car has been burned horribly. But hopefully I can just get it together, get the title back from the DMV because I was the lien holder on it, get it sold and make some quick change off this. And it'll be 240 content, and I haven't touched the 240 in a long time, years, so it kind of feels good to like be back in a 240, but not for long. Just get it running, and that is it. I'm done after that.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry. You were right. Just leave me be. I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like. Just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Just gonna leave it here for now. I can't get that engine mount to fall in, so that's where I'm gonna leave it. It's been a long day trying to get it here, but this head's had work done. Bottom end has 170,000 miles. These are Brian Crower stage 1 cams, I think, 264s. It's got like a fresh kit and everything in it. So nice, low mileage, 5-speed 2, I'm pretty sure. I think that's the one out of my car, which was 170,000, which is not low miles, but for a 240 it is. So that's where we're gonna leave it. Hit it in the comments what you think about it. So I've kind of realized like the car that gave my channel any type of subs that it has now was the V8 240. So 240 is kind of where my niche for a long time, and I'm hoping that having another one kind of get me back on the algorithm, because I've been off of it for a long time because I stopped uploading. But what would help is if everybody would just like and then put some sort of comment, whether it's a smiley face or not, and then share the video. But you can just click like share, copy link, cancel, and it should jump back on the algorithm, which isn't too crazy hard, but that will help if people feel like they want to do that. Pretty easy thing to do, but you know, humans and all. So but I'm hoping a 240 really will like kind of jump me back on the algorithm. So I'm gonna try to find like some sort of crazy title, something kind of catchy, do some good tags, and hopefully I can jump back on, because now we have the 240 going, the Nismo going. I might start on a mini truck that you guys haven't seen yet. Plus I'm trying to make edits while I'm at work so that I'll kind of like always have content coming out. But you know, it takes money to make content. This car stuff ain't free. I'm sure everybody knows that watches this. But I will see y'all on the next one. I'm beat, I'm tired, and it's like only 1:30 in the afternoon, so got some editing to do.